In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TikTok account. Maybe you're taking a break from social media, switching platforms, or you just don't use TikTok anymore. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps to permanently delete your account, and I'll explain what's happening at each stage so you know what to expect. First, open TikTok on your computer or in a browser and log in if you aren't already. Once you're in, go to your profile dashboard. On desktop, you'll usually find your profile icon or username in the top right or in the left-hand column. Click that to open your profile page. This is your main hub, where you can see your videos, followers, and settings. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled More. Click on More. This opens up additional options and settings that are not visible on the main profile view. From there, a settings panel will appear. In the top left area of that panel, find and click on General. The General section is where TikTok keeps most of the core account and privacy options, including the tools you need to deactivate or delete your account. Once you're in the General section, look for the option that says Deactivate or Delete Account and click on it. This is an important page because this is where TikTok lets you choose between temporarily deactivating your account or permanently deleting it. Deactivation usually hides your profile and content without fully removing everything, while deletion is more final. On this page, select Delete Account Permanently. When you click this, TikTok will begin the process of closing your account for good. Keep in mind that this means losing access to your profile, your videos, and your followers after TikTok's retention period ends. So make sure you've saved anything you want to keep before moving on. TikTok will then ask you to choose a reason you're leaving. You'll see a list of options, such as not using the app anymore or concerns about privacy or content. Click on the reason that best matches your situation. This doesn't affect the deletion itself. It just helps TikTok understand why people are leaving. After you've selected your reason, click on Continue. At this point, TikTok may show you a summary of what deleting your account means. Review that information carefully, then follow any final prompts you see on screen to complete the process. And that's it. You've now gone through all the steps to permanently delete your TikTok account.